Okay, ji, let's move towards the next question, and that is the last question of this exercise. Question number 7. There are total 9 parts of question number 7. This question is actually the practice of all the questions that we have attempted in this exercise. So, question number 7 is actually belongs to question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 that we have solved in this exercise. So, let's move towards the A part. We are given with the minus 55 plus into minus 10 minus 10. Okay, in this exercise I have told you first of all we should solve the brackets. So let's solve this bracket. We are given with minus 55. Okay, when this plus, this bracket means multiplication. When this plus is being multiplied by this minus, then as you can see these are two different signs, so minus will be our answer, minus 10, and this minus 10 will be as it is, minus 10. Okay, as you can see all these three numbers have the same symbol of negative. Okay, so I have told you if all the numbers have the same signs, whether this sign is positive or negative, if all the numbers have same signs, then you should all add all these numbers. So if we add all these three numbers, 55 plus 10 plus 10, 55 plus 10 is equal to 65, 65 plus 10 is equal to 75. So I have written here 75 and the symbol that the all numbers contain. Okay, minus is the symbol that all the number contain. This is minus 55, minus 10 and minus 10. So minus is the common symbol of all the three, therefore I have written here minus 75, which is our answer. Okay, again in this question, this is actually the E part. We are given with minus 5 minus 2 into minus 3. As I have told you, first of all we should solve the bracket. So in this bracket there are two brackets available there. In this bracket we are given with two numbers, and in this bracket we are given with only one number, one negative number. So first we solve this number. Okay, the bracket that is coming first, we will solve that bracket firstly and then move toward the second one. So as you can see both of these numbers have the same sign of negative, so I have placed here minus, and after adding these two numbers, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, multiply by this minus 3 is written as it is. It is similar when you are going to be multiply the two negative numbers, like I have told you in the previous examples. When minus 2 is being multiplied by minus 2, then you have to multiply these two symbols, which will be is equal to plus, and after this you have to multiply these two numbers, 2 2s are 4, so plus 4 will be your answer. So it is similar. First of all multiply these minus signs, so plus will be your answer. After this multiply these numbers, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, and 7 3s are 21, so plus 21 will be our answer. Okay, hope so it is clear to you till now. Let's move towards the next part. So it is a tedious part, so before solving this part, I would like to share something with you people, that if this symbol is given to you and you want to solve it, I would like to recall you again. This symbol is actually is equal to slash, which is actually is equal to the fractional form of a number. uh, if you have remembered this thing, I have told you, if it is written 4 divided by 2, then it means you can write it down 4 over 2, or you can also write it down in this manner, 4 over 2. Okay, as I have told you, you can write it down like this. So let's move toward the question. We are given with minus 25 multiplied by minus 4 divided by minus 12 plus 32. First of all we should solve the bracket. So let's solve this bracket, minus 25, and also I have told you the bracket that contains more than two numbers, or you can solve it either multiply by minus 4 divided by, okay, if you are given with a symbol of multiplication or division, then divide your question in two parts. Suppose this part is your part 1 and this part is your part 2. Now it's up to you. If you want to solve the part 1 first, you can solve part 1, and if you want to solve part 2 first, you can do it so. Okay, I want to solve the part 2 first, therefore I have written part 1 as it is, and I am going to solve the part 2. As you can see, there are two different symbols. So first of all, I have to subtract the smaller number from the larger one. That means 32 minus 12, which is equal to 20, and the symbol of the larger number, which is 32, so I have placed plus here. Again, as you can see, it is similar like this question. First of all, we have to multiply sign. After this, we have to multiply number. We will do the same thing here. First of all, multiply the signs. Plus will be our answer when this minus is being multiplied by the this minus. Okay, after this we have to multiply number. 25 multiply by 4. You can multiply it on your rough work. 25 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry, 4 2s are 8 and 10. Okay, 100 is our answer. So plus 100 divided by plus 20. So again, this concept we can write it down: 100 or plus 100 divided by plus 20. Okay, if you divide it, so our answer will be 5, or you can cut it down like this: 5 4s are, and 5 2s are, and 4 1s are, and 4 5s are. So plus 5 is our answer. In the next part, we are given with 10 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, and we have the square root of whole answer. It is very necessary when you solve all these things, all these arithmetics inside the square root, then your answer will be positive. If your answer is in the negative number, or if your answer is negative number, then you cannot solve this. Your answer will be, the answer of this number is not possible, like we have done in the previous question. Let's solve it arithmetically. So here I have placed the symbol of the square root. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. And one more thing that I would like to share with you: when you are dealing with mathematics and you are given with like this: 2 divided by 2 multiply by 2 plus 2 and minus 2. Okay, this is a number that I have written here. As you can see, this number contains division, multiplication, plus addition and subtraction. Okay, it is a rule in mathematics. First of all, you should solve this division. After this, you should solve the multiplication. After this, you can solve addition or subtraction. It depends upon to you. It's depends upon to you. You want to solve to addition, you can, and if you want to solve subtraction, then you can. So first of all, I should solve this. 2 divided by 2, 1 will be our answer. Multiply by 2 plus 2 minus 2. Okay, when this 2 is being multiplied by this one, so 2 plus 2 and minus 2, so 4 minus 2, so 2 will be our answer. So the purpose of writing this statement is actually to tell you, first of all, we should solve the division, then multiplication, then addition or the subtraction. If the division is missing, then you should solve the multiplication first. After this, you can solve the addition or subtraction. Like in this question, as you can see, here we have the symbol of the multiplication, and here we have the just simple subtraction. So first of all, we will solve this multiplication. So let's solve 10 minus, when this minus 3 is being multiplied by this minus 3 is being multiplied by this minus 2, so plus 6 will be our answer. Okay, minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus, and 3 2s are 6, so square root of 16, that is equal to plus minus 4. Okay, I have done the 4 parts here. It's your home assignment. You should solve all these questions or the remaining question on your need notes. If you have any problem in any question, you can ask me. I am there for you. Thank you very much.